If your products could talk before being sent to your customers, what would they say? Would they say that they were treated well? Would they tell you that they waited in a safe warehouse? Would they have confidence about being sent to the right place? Your products can't tell you what happens before they're shipped, but with USA Fulfillment as your fulfillment partner, they don't have to. We can show you how. When your products first arrive here, they're curious about their new surroundings. Our warehouse workers help them feel welcome. Don't worry, your product is in good hands. 100% of our staff comes from the local communities in and around Chestertown, Maryland, and many of them have been with us for over 20 years. People at USA Fulfillment aren't just team members, they're friends and neighbors. This is where your products wait for your customers to order them. 1.3 million cubic feet of pristine warehouse space. For your products, this is the safest neighborhood around, with card entry systems, motion sensors, and cameras keeping a close eye on everything. If it were any nicer in here, your products would never want to leave. Your product is safe here until someone is ready to order it. Lots of orders come in by mail, so let's go wait in the mailroom. Fulfillment is more than just shipping packages. First, the order has to go through nice and smoothly. When you use our mailroom, your customers' orders are received by local Maryland workers who have filled thousands like them before. These folks are experts at reading every word quickly and accurately. Your product is still here, so it hasn't been ordered by mail. Maybe the order will come through the call center. Like the mailroom, our call center is set up to give your customers the best possible ordering experience. When someone calls or emails with an order or question, they'll get help from a professionally trained representative 24 hours a day, every single day but Christmas. Hang on, this call is probably about your product, and that means it's shipping out soon. Let's head back to the warehouse. How do we know your product matches this order? Our quality management system is certified to meet the most recent ISO quality standards. In fact, depending on your needs, we can deliver your packages at up to 99% accuracy. Sit tight, product. It's almost time to go. All that's left is sorting and getting ready for shipping. Speaking of shipping, we'll save you money by trimming the fat from your packaging and suggesting better mailing options. Even if you save just a few pennies per package, it really adds up. Anyway, here we go. In a minute, your product will head out to the truck and then off to its new home with your customer. Your customer doesn't know about this journey. The careful check-in, the safe warehouse, the precise ordering process. All he or she will see is your product looking the way you intended it to all along.
Perfect.
Treat your products right. Ship them with USA Fulfillment. Call 1-800-777-8872 or visit usafill.com/contact today.